Best crypto to buy today, January 3, Conflux, say, Internet Computer. Last updated, January 3, 2024, 56 ESD. 10 min redisclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a sharp sell-off, with Bitcoin leading the downturn following a recent analysis by Matrixport suggesting the SEC will likely reject all Bitcoin spot ETF proposals this month. Bitcoin spot ETF proposals face potential SEC rejection. Crypto investment services provider Matrixport has cast doubt on the approval of a Bitcoin spot exchange-traded fund ETF in the United States. Matrix on Target projects a January rejection for Bitcoin spot ETFs by the SEC, cautioning traders to hedge long exposure. With SEC Chair Gensler's skepticism towards crypto, a potential 20% Bitcoin price drop is anticipated upon ETF denial, though a positive end of 2024. Pic twitter.com/MHBJTIP. Matrixport at Real Matrixport January 3, 2024. With the current commission at the SEC leaning Democratic and Chair Gary Gensler's cautious stance on crypto, the firm anticipates a rejection of spot ETF listings. Gensler's comments from December 2023 suggest he believes the industry requires more stringent compliance measures. The anticipation of a spot BTC ETF had contributed to Bitcoin's surge, closing 2023 with nearly a 160% increase, reaching levels not observed since April 2022. Matrixport attributed approximately $10 billion of the $14 billion invested in crypto since September to the ETF expectations. Bitcoin's price dropped more than 9% earlier today to set a 3-week low of $40,480. This significant hit occurred swiftly around noon UTC, reflecting investors' reactions to the anticipated SEC decision. Since then, Bitcoin has slightly recovered to around $42,800 as of writing, but is still down by nearly 5% so far today. The recent developments have led to heightened market caution, with a clear impact on today's trading conditions. As the market digests the news from Matrixport and awaits official word from the SEC, volatility has increased. The crypto market's future, particularly concerning regulatory acceptance in the United States, remains uncertain. The outcome of the SEC's decisions on Bitcoin spot ETFs could have broader implications for the legitimacy and adoption of cryptocurrencies. Best crypto to buy in the news. Despite the bearish turn, upcoming crypto presales like Sponge Vitwo and Launchbit XYZ remain under the spotlight as new entrants worth checking in the market. Established cryptocurrencies like Conflux, say, and Internet Computer are also seen as relatively strong options for the best crypto to buy today amidst uncertainty. Investors are advised to closely follow developments to determine the best crypto to buy today as the situation unfolds. With care and research, opportunities can still be found even in turbulent markets. CFX price prediction. Will the bearish momentum continue? After posting gains of over 11% yesterday, the CFX price is currently down 13.57% so far today amidst the broader cryptocurrency market sell-off. With the CFX price declining below immediate support levels, technical indicators are painting a bearish picture for the token in the near term. The 20-day EMA currently stands at $1,902, while the 50-day EMA is at $1,789, with the CFX price trading below the 20-day EMA but above the 50-day EMA at $1,854. While trading above the 50-day EMA signals that longer-term momentum remains intact, trading below the 20-day EMA points to weakening short-term momentum for CFX. This mixed EMA picture signals potential consolidation ahead for the CFX price as it trades between these key moving averages. The RSI has plunged from yesterday's 64.6 down to 48.87, coming off overbought territory. Additionally, the MACD histogram has flipped from positive 0.0007 to negative 0.0005, indicating a failed bullish crossover. This confluence of indicators points to potential further downside for the CFX price. On the price chart, CFX faces immediate resistance between 2,073 cents and 2,127 cents, which aligns with the Fib 0.236 level at 2,095 cents. This area provided support throughout the past week but will likely flip to resistance. Below current levels, initial support is expected between 1,851 cents and 1,967 cents, coinciding with the Fib 0.382 level at 1,967 cents. Further strong support stands between 1,688 cents and 1,760 cents, which contains the 50-day EMA, Fib 0.618 level, and 100-day EMA. With the CFX price breaking below short-term supports, sellers appear to be in control. However, oversold RSI conditions could spur a relief bounce. Traders should watch for a break above 2,095 cents resistance or below 1,760 cents support to signal the next major move. Managing risk is key amidst the increased CFX price volatility. SEI defies broader market sell-off, sets new all-time high. The SEI price has continued its impressive run, bucking the overall cryptocurrency sell-off by hitting a new all-time high of 8,700 cents earlier today. SEI is currently trading at 8,135 cents, up 27% so far on the day. With technical indicators still showing plenty of bullish momentum, the SEI price appears set to continue its ascent. The 20-day EMA for SEI stands at 4,156 cents, while the 50-day EMA sits at 3,578 cents. With a faster-moving short-term EMA well above the longer-term EMA, this is a distinctly bullish pattern for the SEI price. The RSI jumped to 82.61, up from yesterday's 79.7 reading. This shows SEI is heavily overbought, but still has room to run before hitting the 90-plus levels that would signal a correction is imminent. The MACD histogram rose to 0.0357, building on yesterday's 0.0305 value. This growing positive momentum underscores the strength of the current SEI rally. With the SEI price decisively taking out resistance levels on its way to new highs, traders should watch for a potential move toward the Fib 236 extension level around 9,358 cents if bullish sentiment continues. On the downside, the SEI price has initial support at the Fib 236 area of 6,632 cents. As long as SEI holds above this level, the path of least resistance remains to the upside. SEI continues to stand out with its show of relative strength in the current crypto market environment. The technical picture remains decidedly bullish for SEI in the near term, especially if buying volume continues to expand. SEI traders should look to ride this momentum while managing risk accordingly. ICP price rally exhausted. Bearish RSI divergence raises concerns. The Internet Computer ICP price continues pushing higher, hitting a multi-year peak of $16.30 earlier today. ICP is currently trading around $14.468, up 3.59% on the day as it attempts to break out above key resistance levels. The 20-day EMA for ICP stands at $10.451, while the 50-day EMA sits at $7.982. With the faster EMA well above the slower EMA, the trend remains pointed upward for the ICP price. However, the RSI dipped slightly to 80.98 from yesterday's 79.76 reading. While still in overbought territory, this lower RSI highlights a potential bearish divergence when compared to ICP's peak RSI of 90.50 last week. This divergence could foreshadow a potential correction in the horizon for the ICP price. The MACD histogram ticked up to 0.386, building on the previous day's 0.341 value. The continued positive momentum underscores bullish sentiment, but traders should watch for signs of slowing momentum. After rallying to its highest level since April 2022, the ICP price is now facing resistance between $15.422 and $15.862. This area aligns with the Fib 0.618 level, adding to its significance. If ICP can push through this zone, it could open the door for further upside. Support lies at the Fib 0.236 level of $13.788, followed by the previous resistance turn support at $11.937 to $12.441. While hitting multi-year highs, ICP's bearish RSI divergence shows rally fatigue may be setting in. ICP will need to see a renewed influx of buying volume to overcome its immediate resistance. Until then, caution is warranted at these extended levels as ICP appears vulnerable to a pullback. As traders monitor developing price action for CFX, SEI, and ICE, anticipation is also building around new crypto Brazil, Sponge Vitwo, and Launchbit XYZ. These fresh projects seek to make their mark in 2024. Redefining crypto investment choices, diversifying with Bitcoin alternatives in 2024. The cryptocurrency market in 2024 is evolving, with investor attention shifting from Bitcoin to a broad spectrum of alternative cryptocurrencies. This change highlights the growing interest in novel investment opportunities beyond the well-trodden Bitcoin path. Investors are increasingly exploring cryptocurrencies that are in earlier stages of development, attracted by the potential for value growth. This trend is not just about diversifying investments, but also about tapping into the potential of developing cryptocurrency projects. IMGSRC equals https://i.com/roman6/id/HQ default. JPG alt equals width equals 480 height equals 360 ethereum title equals top 5 coins to buy right now in January 2024 and 128,640 best crypto for 100x growth. Width equals 640 height equals 360 SRC equals https://www.youtube.com/embed/btyl pyzk28 start equals 2 and feature equals owned frame border equals 0 allow equals accelerometer autoplay clipboard write encrypted media gyroscope picture-in-picture web share allow full screen /ethereum sponge vtwo. An upgraded iteration of the original Sponge meme coin is increasingly getting recognition as a viable Bitcoin alternative, appealing to investors with its dynamic role in the meme coin sector and its vibrant, uniquely driven market. Simultaneously, Launchpad XYZ is making advances with its AI-enhanced cryptocurrency analysis tools. This development promises to bring fresh insights and strategies to the crypto investing scene. Throughout 2024, investors are meticulously scanning the market for Bitcoin alternatives with a focus on identifying the best crypto to buy today. Their strategy involves assessing the future growth potential and possible investment returns of these alternatives. With the advent of diverse options like Sponge vtwo and Launchpad XYZ, the cryptocurrency market is showcasing a rich variety of investment opportunities. For those seeking to expand their portfolio, these Bitcoin alternatives present intriguing opportunities worth keeping an eye on. Sponge vtwo, the best crypto to buy today for memes and crypto gaming. The meme coin scene has a new entry in Sponge vtwo, building on the momentum of the original SpongeBob token. Inspired by viral SpongeBob SquarePants memes, SpongeBob saw rapid growth in May 2023, rising nearly 100 times its launch price. Join us in absorbing the damp. Sponge united 30,000 members with its 100x Phone token. Who's ready to surpass those heights with vtwo? Stake now to start earning vtwo tokens. $Sponge #Sponge vtwo #Web3 #alts pick Twitter. com/UZHH ith3t9s. $Sponge at SpongeNet January 3, 2024 now. Sponge vtwo intends to replicate its predecessor's success with an incentivized presale program. This lets participants acquire Sponge vtwo tokens by staking the original Sponge Phone. The more VON tokens staked and the longer the stake lasts, the greater the vtwo rewards. This presale method effectively depletes the remaining VON supply while distributing vtwo tokens to engaged holders. Sponge vtwo will also introduce a SpongeBob-themed play-to-earn game, adding utility and enabling users to earn token rewards. The project outlines a 3-stage roadmap. The first stage focuses on the presale launch and initial exchange listings to drive early traction. Building on that, the second stage works on expanding the community by growing token holders while also developing the play-to-earn game. Finally, the third stage seeks for top exchange listings to further increase volume and liquidity. The tokenomics distribution plan allocates over 40% to staking rewards, displaying a strategy for sustained growth. With its unique presale structure, utility adding play-to-earn crypto game, and multi-phase roadmap, Sponge vtwo demonstrates thoughtful planning as it seeks to build on SpongeBob's rapid ascent. The project appears well-positioned to leverage the original token's community and brand awareness. Investors' Guide to Finding the Best Crypto to Buy Today, Launchpad XYZ's LPX token presale. The exclusive presale event for Launchpad XYZ is generating eager anticipation among cryptocurrency aficionados, with the presale countdown now in its final week. Launchpad XYZ intends to democratize advanced analytics and trading strategies powered by artificial intelligence for crypto investors. The project differentiates itself through features like a decentralized exchange, NFT marketplace, and fractional investment capabilities. Dive into discussions with fellow traders on #Launchpad XYZ. Collaborate, share, succeed. #trading community #Web3 #alts pick Twitter. com/ORKKGROW and NEQ. Launchpad. Size at Launchpad looks January 2, 2024. The core of Launchpad XYZ is the LPQ system, which aggregates data from over 400 sources to create customized trading strategies tailored to each user's goals and risk tolerance. This allows traders of all experience levels to leverage advanced analytics for more informed trading decisions. Launchpad XYZ intends to launch a decentralized exchange and Web3 gaming hub in 2024 as it continues expanding its all-in-one Web3 trading platform. The project seeks to bridge Web2 and Web3 functionalities to enable long-term growth in the crypto space. The LPX token per sale offers tiered participation levels catering to traders of all experience levels. Starting at the $50 Doge level, participants gain basic access along with weekly market summaries. Moving up, the $200 Shiba level adds beginner analytics and weekly insights for newcomers. For regular traders, the $500 Pepe level provides comprehensive analytics and 2 weekly LPQ validated trades. Seasoned traders can opt for the $5,000 Vitalik level, tailored with VIP channel access and 5 weekly validated trades. Finally, the $25,000 plus Salon level is aimed at professionals, granting exclusive perks, unlimited platform access, and founder session access. With the LPX token per sale wrapping up in under a week, investors looking for the best crypto to buy today are seizing what may be a unique early adopter opportunity with Launchbit XYZ and its future as a leading AI-powered cryptocurrency platform. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img